pleasure it is to gather in this particular space with this particular group of people who helped to make it all happen. I had the opportunity to go through this space with Krista and some guests of the hospital and foundation this morning. We had a representative from Kingston City Council, and of course the City of Kingston has put a considerable amount of money into this new hospital. We had Sophie Kawala with us. We had a representative of Frontenac County Council, and every last one of them expressed their sense of pride in playing a role in creating this incredible space for patients from this community. And I hope that each one of you feels that same incredible pride in the role that you have played in creating what will be surely the most beautiful hospital in Ontario, if not Canada. I'm Denise Cumming. I'm the Executive Director of the University Hospitals Kingston Foundation, and I welcome all of you here today to celebrate and honor our wonderful volunteers at Providence Care.
Today, all of you are coming here together to offer our final donation to the pledge of the $250,000 pledge that we did 5 years ago. The way our funds are raised, some of you may not know, is through the gift shop, Nevada ticket sales, bingos in the community, which some of our bingo community volunteers are here, cheese sales, Nevada sales. There's quite a lot of places that our volunteers raise money for the patients at St. Mary's and the mental health site. So it's really an honor to lead you. You're an amazing group working together to do this. Not only do you provide funds for our patients, but you're also there to enhance the lives of our patients, the one-on-one visits, so many programs that you are attending with our volunteers as well. Once staff and patients and visitors realize that where the funds go to through our gift shop and Nevada sales and bingo goes directly to our patients, it's incredible how people will shop at our gift shop rather than go out to the community, because they know that every single one of the pennies are coming back for our patients. And you've made it possible to do this pledge of $250,000 for our new building, so we'll house all of our patients under one roof, and it's a huge accomplishment, and I'm very proud of you for doing that.
I do want to express our deepest gratitude for all you do every day for us. I understand how difficult it is some days for us to meet our patients' needs, and we couldn't do that without your volunteer hours and commitment to our organization. Not only are you committed to the patients, but you're committed to us too. And every time we pass one of you in the halls or go by the desk, you're always so nice and gracious and enjoyable, and start up conversations with all of us. You make our day. You live our mission every single day. So thank you.
And I'm pleased to be here on behalf of our board of directors, and it's a real treat for us. I think if Kingston didn't have the number of volunteers that it has today, the city would not exist. And you were just a small portion of the hundreds, probably thousands of people that give of their time and their effort so freely and so graciously. And on behalf of the board, we can't thank you enough for your daily contributions, Cathy was saying, and your financial contributions. And the money that you have raised for this new project is very exciting. It will be well used, I can guarantee you that. Thank you for supporting our mission at Providence Care. We really appreciate that, and do that every day. And you're helping build the new hospital right outside that we're going to have a look at. And we can't wait to have you back here on opening day in November of 2017. So again, thank you on behalf of the board for your hard work and dedication.
I'm chair of the University Hospitals Kingston Foundation, but when we got started on the fundraising, I was the campaign chair of the Together We Can campaign. And we took on a big task. We said we would raise $70 million for the 3 hospitals. And people said you can't do that in Kingston. Well, we stopped early, and when we reached 72 million, because this community has been so incredibly generous, and they continue to give. So I guess it's that appreciation that people have for the care that they receive at our hospitals. And that care extends to the kind of work that you do on a daily basis in making people feel a little more comfortable where they are. Because going into a hospital is not the nicest thing that we do, unless we're going in because we're having a baby That's the only good time I think it is in the hospitals. After that, it's a little more stressful. So what you do in terms of your donation of time and energy, in addition to, I'm sure, the money that you have donated over time to the hospital, is really truly inspiring. It is the kind of thing that allows me to go and speak to others and say, look what we can do. You know, this is a community that together raised $72 million and continues to give. And you give every day. So I thank you so very, very much. The $250,000, when you pledged it, I remember that day. When you pledged it, it gave us that campaign, that lift that says, yes, we can. And we went ahead and did that by telling others, look what this group of volunteers at Providence Care is raising on behalf of this campaign. Can you help as well? And together they all helped, and here we are today. And I can hardly wait for the opening. I worked at St. Lawrence College across the street from my career. My window overlooked this site, and I kept waiting for the wrecking ball to knock it down and see the cranes lift this new building up. Well, I've retired for a few years, and so I didn't get to see it from my window, but I'll go back over there and look at the new building and when I get that perspective, because this is truly exciting, and I congratulate the board for I guess it's for your vision of what could be on this site, and Krista and her crew for making it happen. So thanks to so many people. This is absolutely wonderful, and thanks for the $250,000.